Father's Day is around the corner and it's time to plan ahead of time so you can give your father a beautiful craft to remember. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bow tie card. Namaste friends, welcome back to Sangeeta's Creation. I'm Sangeeta and I make beautiful DIY crafts with little bit of imagination. If you're new here, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so whenever I upload a new video, you are the first one to know. Give this video a big thumbs up and watch this video till the end so you don't miss anything. So let's use our imagination to create something very special. For this you will need It's done. Isn't it so beautiful to gift your father with little bit of imagination? Hope this video was very helpful. If yes, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you make one, please share with me on any of my social media with hashtag Sangeeta's Creation. Don't forget to comment below. Happy Father's Day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your family and friends. Thank you so much for your support and growing this channel. See you soon. Till then, Namaste.